How to transfer money from Cash App to bank. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to transfer money from Cash App to your bank. So watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. If the Cash App is available on your region or country, simply make sure to download and install from Play Store or App Store, or simply you can open the website of Cash App from your browser. And after that, you need to make sure that your bank account is linked. Tap the person icon at the top right, then select Linked Banks. From here, you can link a bank account or a debit card by entering your banking information. Once that's done, it's time to cash out. Tap Cash Out on the main screen. You will see two options: Standard, no fee takes a few days, or Instant, small fee, money transfers immediately. Choose your preferred option and enter your PIN and you are done. In my case, I chose the standard option, so $50 I cash out will arrive in my bank account on Wednesday. And that's it. If this video helped, hit that like button and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.